Hey folks, Uncle Gunther on the way back home. It started raining and ice rain and snow rain at 4 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 5:30. I'm almost at the headquarter rail station, and from there I got 3 more miles to get back home. I'm soaked all the way. I'm safe. I had fun. Even if it was stormy like crazy. Damn, my jacket is really heavy. So that's what happens if you are a ham radio operator and a portable enthusiast, and there's still strong winds. Not that strong anymore, like early evening and the whole night, but still strong enough. Winds up to 40 miles an hour. We had winds up to 80 miles an hour. Can you believe that? Wow. But the spider beam mast was doing a great job. No collapsing, no break-in, no damage. And so did the antenna and the operator and the ICOM radio. Okay, I put my iPhone back in the pockets. I got cold fingers. 73 DK50NV. Almost home. Good. A little bit more than 30 minutes. I'll be home. 73.